Hello guys and welcome. Today I'll be showing you how to install Terraform on your Windows machine and configure it to your AWS account. So Terraform is a software that you can use to deploy infrastructure as code. So basically you can use Terraform to automate various infrastructure tasks. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So on the Google search bar, just type in install Terraform. I already searched this. Just click on the first link that appears, the one from developer HashiCorp.com. When you click on the first link, so this will be a tutorial of how to install Terraform. We really don't need the tutorial. So we're going to click on the home page above here, and then we'll click on install. This is where you want to click on. After you clicked on install, select your operating system. For ours, we'll go with Windows. So I'll select Windows. I'm currently using an Intel version of my processor, so I'll select the 386 version. If you have an AMD version of your processor, select the AMD version. So I'm gonna click download. It's around 18 MBs, as you can see down here. So it has finished downloading. I'll just show it in folder. So this is where it has downloaded my drive H on Chrome downloads. I'll just extract it. As you can see, Terraform has been extracted and it's in this subfolder, which is in Chrome downloads. So I'm going to copy this path. I'll just click up here and copy the path. And then on the search menu, I'll type in environment and then I'll choose the option to edit the system environment variables. And then I'll click on environment variables. And then on the system variables, just look for path. This is where you want to be. So double click on path. Now here, we need to add a new path. So you click on new, and then I'll paste in the path that we copy pasted here. Then I'll click OK, then OK. So the next step is to confirm whether Terraform has been installed. So on the search menu, down at the taskbar on your computer, just type in git bash. Whenever your git bash has opened, type Terraform version, and then as you can see, Terraform has been installed successfully. If it is installed successfully, this is what you will get. If it hasn't installed successfully, you'll get a message different than this. So now, since we have installed Terraform, we need to configure our AWS account in order for us to run any sort of code. So I'll go right into my AWS console and sign in. So I had already put in my credentials. That's why it has automatically signed me in. So in order for you to configure Terraform to your AWS account, you need access keys. So for that, I'm going to access IAM. IAM is a service where you can manage access keys and all types of access to your AWS account. So I'm going to click on users. This is the user I want to create access keys for. So this is a user that I have defined. So I'm going to go to credentials. So on the access keys, just click on create access key. You want to use the access key in order for you to enable the AWS CLI access to your account. And then select I understand the above recommendation. And then next, and give it tags. And just say allow access keys. Then create access key. Make sure you download the CSV file. So and click done. So when you go back to your terminal, you need to have configured AWS CLI. So I've already configured mine. So I'll write AWS configure. Then it will ask me for the access key ID. I'm just gonna open this CSV file we downloaded. This is the access key. I'm just gonna copy it and then paste it on git bash. The secret access key, I'm gonna open it up and copy it, then paste it. For the region, I want to launch my resources in Oregon, that's US West 2. So I'm going to maintain US West 2. You can either leave it as it is. Since you had already configured US West 2 previously, it will still remain. Or you can just write US West 2 since it doesn't hurt to write it. When you put the output format that you need, that is JSON. And there you go. We have installed Terraform. And as you can see, this is the version. and we have configured it to our AWS account. This is how you do configure it using the access key and the secret key. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.